On behalf of the Albert Shanker Institute and the American Federation of Teachers, welcome to our discussion today, Austerity, Politics, and American Education. Thank you for joining us. I'm John C., Director of Research here at the AFT, and I'll be moderating today's discussion, which I know you'll find informative and thought-provoking. And the reason it'll be that way is that we have a terrific group of folks here who have not only studied austerity politics, but in some cases lived austerity politics. So I'll start with the man on my left, Gary Miran. He's professor in evaluation, measurement, and research at Western Michigan University. We didn't cross paths there, but I did get a master's degree from Western Michigan, I think shortly before Gary arrived. He's a leading scholar of charter schools and virtual schools, and as such is frequently lead author on studies commissioned by foundations and state and federal government agencies. To his left is Ivy Bailey, another Michigander. She is the president of the Detroit Federation of Teachers. Before that, she had a long career in the classroom, or maybe in classrooms, since some of them were overseas, far-flung. She has led Detroit's teachers in battles with anti-public school politicians. She's led those teachers through a municipal bankruptcy. So she's very familiar with austerity. And while doing that, she has fought for and won better working conditions for the teachers in Detroit and better learning conditions for the students. To her left is Mike Fabricant. He is a scholar, a teacher, an author, a union leader, and a community activist. I hesitate to say that that's because he can't find a full-time job, so he has to piece together a few different things, but that may not be accurate. Teaches at Hunter College in New York City. He is also first vice president of the faculty union at the University of New York. And he is co-author of Austerity Blues, Fighting for the Soul of Higher Education. So we'll hear from those folks in a minute. And the last thing I have to say, I think, is that because it's 2017, there's a hashtag for this event. If you don't know what that means, see Leo afterwards. Hashtag austerity. So I think we can get started. And we'll start with Dr. Miran.